about you, but I get really excited when I find a new lash to try, especially when it says no glue, no magnets, and it lasts for up to 12 hours. These are drugstore brand. They're the NYX brand. They're the Jumbo Lash in the Fringe Glam Kit. And we're going to try them today. Packaging super cute. Here's the lashes and a pink eyeliner pen that's no glue, no magnets. And these lashes in the band, if you can see that, is super thin. I know a lot of girls do wings. I'm not doing a wing. Ooh, very black. Just shake, 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 shake. Okay, let's do the other eye. So now we're gonna try putting the lashes on. They're supposed to look like an extension of your own eyelashes. So this is exciting. It's quite cool. That went on actually really easy. I like them. Okay, let's try the next one. I didn't have to cut them or anything, but I do have big eyes. Let's put the other one on the same way that we just did that last one. This one doesn't seem to be going on as good. So apparently you can wear these up to 15 times. So I guess if I had to take it off and try again, I would just have to add more eyeliner. You know what I like about these two? What I just thought about? When you put on magnetic lashes, this tool always grabs the magnets and pulls when you're trying to put, like, I don't know why they make magnetic lash tools in metal. Like, is that the dumbest idea or what? But wow, they look amazing. Am I sleeping in them tonight? You know, sometimes I like to do the sleep test because, well, you know, you go out drinking and you end up sleeping in your makeup. And I know you shouldn't probably sleep in your lashes, especially if they're magnetic. These aren't, so that's good. But you never know, I might be sleeping in my lashes tonight. All right, it's been 7 hours and these lashes rock. Oh my God. I don't even know that they're on, I'm serious. I have worn so many different lashes. I can't even tell you, like the band is so thin. They haven't lifted on the outsides, the insides, nothing. My eyes have been watering tonight. I just can't get over these lashes. They're amazing. I don't even know what to say. So maybe I'm gonna sleep in them and let you know how that goes. I slept in the lashes. I'm giving you an update. Good morning, beautiful. I woke up with my NYX Jumbo Lashes fully intact, not all scrunched up and bent up. Now, I'm not telling you to sleep in your lashes, of course. I just thought I'd do the sleep test because I put them on later in the day, so I wasn't gonna get a full 12 hours. And I wanted to let you know that if you fall asleep one night when you're out with your lashes on, you will wake up looking fab. Isn't that crazy? I've actually fallen asleep in many false lashes before, and they always either push up on one side or they lift or they're all bent and scrunched up and you can't use them again. These ones, I still can't even tell I'm wearing lashes. It's crazy. They passed the test. They say they're good for 12 hours. They definitely made the 12 hours. They passed the sleep test. I recommend the Jumbo NYX lashes that I showed you at the beginning of the video that I would show you again right now if I had them in my hand and they weren't on my eyes and the packaging wasn't downstairs. There's your update. These lashes, 100% recommend drugstore lashes. Crazy. I'm totally getting more. And you're gonna see more videos.